This video series is going to focus on what I like to call the gold mining tactic. I call it because it's like you're mining gold. I mean, there literally are so many hungry customers and hungry buyers on Yahoo Answers that all we have to do is we have to go in with the proper tools and mine the money out of them is I guess the way I like to put it. So this strategy that I'm going to talk about over the next few videos is going to deal with first finding a profitable niche. Of course, not all areas on Yahoo Answers are going to sell well. So of course the good news is we need to specifically find those that are going to do well. Then the next step is going to be choosing an affiliate product. Once we find out what we want to sell to, we're going to then find a product to sell to them. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with affiliate marketing, you might be saying to yourself, if you decide that you want to focus on dog training, does this mean I have to go out and make a product on dog training to sell these people? Of course not. Affiliate marketing is very, very easy to do. As a matter of fact, I'll show you in the following videos how to find a product rather quickly and be up and running. Of course, this is not a product that you need to be stocking in your house. It's something that's done online, and you don't even have to buy it first. You're just selling it to the person, and if the person picks it up, then you get a commission. The next step is going to be setting up your website. Now, you can see I have that in quotes, website, because even though technically it's going to be website, it really isn't going to be. All we need to do is purchase a domain and have hosting, and if that scares you off, I hope it doesn't, but it's really not that hard. It's just going to cost you a couple dollars, and we do not need to be designing any kind of website. We're going to be using a redirect, and we'll get to that in a little bit. And there's a reason why I'm going to recommend that you do that, and we'll talk about all that shortly. But again, I don't want to frighten you by the fact that you're going to need a website, because you really don't. That's why the website is in quotes. And then, of course, the next step is going to be answering questions, and also finding the best questions to answer. And then the final and most important step is to collect the paycheck, because that's when you make the money. And then, of course, after that's done, we're going to rinse, repeat, and multiply. I'm going to talk about how you take, what you're able to do. You're able to sell well in one niche, and then how you take that strategy and multiply it over several different niches to make lots of money. So let's go ahead then and get started with the first step in this process, finding a profitable niche.